Want to call your friends and talk all together? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to make a group video call on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the messenger icon at the top right. Open the group chat that you want to make a call on. If you're wondering how to make a group on Instagram, do check out our video on that topic on our channel. Moving on, at the top you can see two icons. The call icon is audio call and the recorder icon is video call. Tap on the recorder icon for video call. To end the call, tap on the red icon at the top right. And that is how to make a group video call on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.